क्रू चिफमा हुनुहुन्छ राजकुमार महर्जन, अम्पायर 1 मा राजन सिंह, अम्पायर 2 मा दुर्गा थापा, स्कोररमा आयुषा महर्जन र असिस्टेन्ट स्कोरमा हुनुहुन्छ रोहित महर्जन र यस म्याचका कमिसनर हुनुहुन्छ सागर श्रेष्ठ। र यो फर्स्ट अटेम्प गेमको तर यहाँ कन्भर्ट हुन सकेन। फिक्स सुजन महर्जन र यहाँ निकै नै लामो पास विनोद महर्जनलाई, ही फिक्स एन्ड रिभर्स एन्ड ही एबल टु कन्भर्ट दैट बास्केट। Players of Golden Gate, they used to play for Team Royal here. Ajay, open, inside the paint. Sudeep, he drives from the baseline, kicks out. And one extra pass there from Rajiv Joshi. Air ball, त्यसलाई सफल बनाएका छन् विकास गुरुङले. Using the screen, Ajay to Rajiv and he attempts and he converts. Susan to Vinod Mahorjan driving in and he lays it in. What a move there. Baseline. Vikas Gurung open 3-pointer and he converts. Nothing but net. Otherwise they will keep scoring. So Ajay pani perimeter bada and he scores. They need a timeout. Vikas Gurung, he pulls up from the mid-range and he converts. Vikas Gurung, he uses that screen, looking for a pass. Nikai राम्रो pass there. Sudeep पौडेललाई निकेश मगरको प्रब्लम हामीले देखिरहेका छौँ, not being able to stop those mid-range of GGIC here. राम्रो बल रोटेसन प्रसाङ डोजमास्के र यहाँ अफेन्सिभ बोर्ड लिएका छन्. अझै पनि हसल, अझै पनि रोयलकै हातमा बल and finally Ramkrishna Ghodane converts he's able to draw the fall, so he'll be on the free throw line for his bonus 2 shots. Ajay Kushwaha and he converts. Royal transition ma the ball को control गुमाउनु पुगेका छन्. अहिले counter move मा अहिले निकेश मगर, Rajiv, he's open. One extra pass there. Vikas Gurung from the downtown and he converts. Kicks out. Ravi, he attempts from the perimeter and that's nothing but net. Spandan to Ravi. He attempts and he converts. A back-to-back 3-pointer there by Ravi Paudel. राम्रो पास तर कन्भर्ट पनि हुन सकेन, तर बल पनि अझै पनि गोल्डन गेटकै हातमा छ. एन्ड अजय कुशवाहा, Ravi to Vinod Mahorjan, he drives in and a left-handed layup and he converts and he gets the end one there. Inside pass, paint ma ball and Vikas Gurung, Vinod Mahorjan and he converts the 3-pointer. Sudeep again. Ajay, he is converting a lot of points from the paint today. Vinod Mahorjan, he fakes, he drives and a left-handed layup and it's good. निकै नै राम्रो पास त्यहाँ विनोद महर्जनको र निकै नै राम्रो फिनिसिङ पनि रवि पौडेलको. मगर crossover there, he spins, he pulls up and he converts the jumper. Santos Maskeko the transition मा अहिले गोल्डन गेट र यहाँ finishing, a very good finishing. Prasang Maske, Vinod Mahorjan driving in, he pulls up from the mid-range and he converts. Easy for him. Ajay Kushwaha ball like reject. He could not match the speed. Ajay to Vikas Gurung, he pulls up and he converts. To Sujan Mahorjan, Ravi Paudel, he attempts. Offensive board collect गरेका छन्. निकै नै भरपर्दो खेलाडी हुन् विनोद महर्जन. And the second attempt, he converts. Ashish Basnet pulling up. Raya offensive board. Maferi, Ramkrishna Ghodane. For the lead, Sujan Mahorjan. for the lead. Susan Marsden from the downtown. Vikas Gurung again. Attempt and he converts. Ramkrishna Ghodane driving in and that's and one. What a gameplay there. So for the lead here, Ramkrishna Ghodane, can he regain the lead? For the lead here, and he gains back the lead. Sudeep Paudel, rare steal. Susan Marsden go transition by Royal. Nikane Ramro, you lay up here. Ramkrishna Ghodane way off the rim. Pass break ma. Pasang goes basket. Transition by Haile. Ravi Paudel, and he converts. They need a timeout here. Golden Gate. Back-to-back actions bhayiरहेको छ कि यहाँ to Rajiv feeding to the post here. राम्रो कट त्यहाँ र ह्याङ टाइममा कन्भर्ट गर्न सफल निकेश मगर. Two personal foul for Ajay. Pasang goes Maske converting his first one. For the second, he converts. Raya substitution. Now he converts. Raya fall सँगै GGIC को flag पनि भइसकेको छ. So GGIC they need to be little concerned with their fall. Quarter को Ajay Kushwaha handing off to Nikesh. He drives and he converts. Nikesh Magar out. One extra pass there. Ashish Bosnet. Nothing but net, and you can hear the crowd. Sudeep Paudel, floater, and he converts. First attempt, and he converts. Raya फेरि पनि fall, and that's. So will he make the 3-point play? Nikesh Magar. Yes, he does. Ravi Paudel. Ashish Marsden from the downtown. He converts in his hometown. So the fall, अहिले भर्खरै fall कमिट गरेका छन् Rajiv Joshi, just number 1. Bjorn Marsden converting the first one from Rajiv Joshi. And he converts the both quarters. And now he has been stopped. र यहाँ निकेश मगरको राम्रो drive र finishing पनि. Ashish Bosnet. Bjorn Marsden. And a good pass there. Ramkrishna Ghodane. The caught यहाँ Nikesh Magarko and kick out to Rajiv Joshi. One extra pass there for Sudeep, and he does the nothing but net. Nikin राम्रो fake Susan Marsden go, and he converts from the downtown. Sudeep Paudel. Ajay Kushwaha, a reverse layup using the glass. Sudeep Paudel, transition ma, driving in, kicks out to Nikin Ramro, Fitman entry here. Ajay Kushwaha go. Magar. For the first, he converts. Will he tie the game? And he does. The Golden Gate is back on the game again. So for the lead, Ashish Marsden for the lead, and he does from the downtown. He converts. Ashish Marsden driving in. र यहाँ पासलाई सफल बनाएको निकै नै राम्रो कट यहाँ निकेश मगरको, and he converts. What a sequence there. According to the baseline, he'll be open at the baseline maybe. तर पेन्टमा अहिले अझै Sudeep Paudel pulling up, and he converts. The long two. Nikesh Magar. Rajiv to Sudeep Paudel. He steps back. And he converts. Ball agadi badaउँदै. राम्रो pass. Ghodane and he converts. A fourth personal foul. So he needs to be rest. Turnover. Transition mile. Nikesh Magar. A good release using the glass, making the basket. Bjorn Marsden. He attempts and he converts. Make him out of the game for today. For second, he converts. Ajay Kushwaha. Nikes Magar, he's open there, and he converts, and that's nothing but net, right on the buzzer. Rabi to Pasang Dozmaske, a floater, and the floater is good. They will slow down for sure. Nikene Ramro caught, and Nikene Ramro conversion to Nikes Magar go. Pasang Dozmaske. Bjorn Morrison to one extra pass, Susan Morrison, and he converts with that one extra pass. Nikes Magar on the free throw line. Game time 40 seconds. He converts the first one. So Bjorn Morrison, Rossing to get the layup, and he converts. So Assis Morrison. He converts the second one. A timeout is taken by Team Royale.